Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to verify Weverse account. First of all, open the Weverse application on your device. You can see over here Weverse application has been opened. Now after you create the account for yourself, you'll have to verify your account. Normally, your verification will be completed when you verify your email. So in order to verify the email, what you have to do is open the Gmail on your device, or you can open any email application on your device. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply search for the mail sent by the Weverse regarding the account verification. If you do not see the email over here, you can tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, simply search for Weverse. You'll be able to see the result over here. Simply tap on the email sent by the Weverse that contains the verification link. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find the button for verifying your account over here. What you have to do is tap on this option, verify email, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, your Weverse account will be verified. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you verify Weverse account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.